6. Steps to apply for an Australian driver's license. The foremost step is to give the eyesight test while applying for the license. The second step is the driver's knowledge test, DLT, which takes in your chosen language. On passing the DL, the learner is issued the L plate to start learning driving on roads. The next is the hazard perception test to check the driver's risk-taking ability on the road. When you receive your Australian driver's license, you can legally drive throughout Australia. In case you want to cross countries, you can convert it to an overseas license. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.